Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into all the newest Blox Fruits codes that you can redeem right now for free boosts, EXP rewards, stat resets, and more. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the latest working codes after the new update, and trust me, you don't want to miss these rewards if you're grinding levels, farming fruits, or trying to become stronger fast. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll also show you the easiest way to redeem the codes correctly before they expire. Some of these codes are only available for a limited time, so use them quickly. If you love Roblox content like Blox Fruits updates, secret codes, fruit showcases, leaks, and leveling guides, then make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss any new videos. Alright everyone, let's get straight into the latest Blox Fruits codes.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are